So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to work with fractions and negative and positive numbers. First thing we're going to remember is that when we see subtraction, we're going to think of it as keep, change, change. Or you can think about it as add the opposite. I know some of you like the other words. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So I have 1/8 minus negative 5/8. Okay? And then I'm going to keep, change, change. 1/8 plus 5/8. Okay? And then with fractions, I have to remember that I have to, when I add and subtract, I need common denominators. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I notice that they're both 8, so I already have common denominators. So I have an 8, and then 5 plus 1 is 6. I can reduce that, make it look at all pretty, divide it by 2. I'm going to get 3/4. Okay? Looking at B. Now would be a great time to pause it. I'm going to keep going, but it would be a great time to pause it and try it yourself. Okay? So I have negative 1 3/5 plus negative 7/20. Now I just prefer to have them as improper fractions, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. 8/5. Keep that negative sign. Okay? And then I remember, oh, gotta have common denominators. I don't have that, so I gotta redo. I'm going to use 20 because one of them is already 20. So negative 32/20 plus negative 7/20. So the bottom, the denominator, is already the same, so I'm just going to go ahead and write it out. And then the top, it's like this, negative 32 plus negative 7. Okay, they're both the same sign, so I'm going to add. So it's going to be negative 39. Okay, negative 39. Okay. Up to this point, I should see most of this work. Now this part, this green might be a little bit extra. Okay, I really like to write it as a mixed number so it looks really nice. So top goes in the house, bottom outside. Goes in there one time. Okay, and I see that I have 19/20, and I look back, it was a negative and a positive that I divided, so it'll stay negative. Okay, negative 1 and 19/20. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at multiplying. So remember, when you multiply and divide, you cannot do it with a mixed number. So I do have to make this improper. I have to this time. So 2 times 4 is 8, and that's 9. Okay, keep my 4 times, we'll just rewrite this, negative 7/9. Okay, I do not need common denominators. So 9 times 7 is negative 63. And 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, I can divide both these by 9 to make it look prettier, and I'm going to get negative 7/4. Some of you might have noticed over here, I could have automatically just crossed those out, and they could have become 1s. Okay, so then I'm here. I should see all this orange work, okay, or very similar. Okay, 7 is going to go in the house, 4 outside, goes in once, which is 4. Minus is 3. So I'm going to get 1 3/4. Okay? Because I just divided a negative number by a positive number, it's going to be a negative answer. Okay? Now would be a great time to pause and try D and E by yourself. I'm going to keep going though if you need me. So I'm going to write this negative 7/12. Okay? Divided by 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, 3/2. Okay, I'm going to keep the negative on the top. Then I have to keep change flip because it's division. So negative 7 times 2 is 14. 7 is negative, this is positive, so it will be negative. 12 times 3 is 36. It was a positive and a negative, so it stays negative. Now, you'll notice that there is a negative on top and a negative on bottom. That means it's like I'm dividing a negative by a negative, so it'll become positive, okay? If you got two negative signs together in a multiplication or division, they're going to become positive, okay? And then I want to make this look nicer, so I'm going to divide it by 2, and I'm going to get 7/18. Okay? Hopefully you tried E. It's going to look like this. Negative 3/5 divided by, negative 2/3. Okay? And I'm going to get, whoopsies. So let's just made a little mistake. Then I'm going to keep change flip. Okay? Then I'll multiply across negative 9. Negative 10, and we just talked about what happens if there's a negative on top of a negative. So we're going to get a positive 9/10. They can't be reduced, so I'm all done. 9/10. Okay? If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email and have a great day.